Ladies and gentlemen, the whole West Asia is once again standing on the edge of uncertainty. Just when many hoped tension might begin to cool down, a fresh claim from Iran has kind of reignited fear of a larger confrontation. Tehran says that it has targeted a US military command and control center operating aboard an American naval destroyer in the Sea of Oman. Here, wait. His whole claim immediately sent shockwaves across the region because if such an incident or accident that has actually happened, it would represent a serious escalation between the two long-term adversaries. Iran says the action was a response to what it described as American aggression and interference near key maritime route. Here, Iranian officials, they also warned that they are closely monitoring every movement made by both the US and Israel, and they are prepared to respond very swiftly to any future action they consider hostile. But yes, almost immediately, Washington pushed back. US Central Command, they rejected the whole claim, describing them as false and insisting that all the American military assets, they remain fully operational and unharmed. This is where the story, it becomes even more important because in modern conflicts, perception matters almost as much as reality. Even when claims are disputed, they kind of shape public opinion, influence the financial market, and affect the diplomatic calculation. Every statement is carefully analyzed here. Every military claim, it is scrutinized. Every denial is examined for any sort of clue here. Well, the Sea of Oman and the nearby Strait of Hormuz, they are among the most strategically important waterways in the world. Well, a significant portion of global energy supplies travel through this region only. So whenever tensions rise here, countries thousands of miles away, they begin paying the attention. Global traders, they watch closely. Government pressure, contingency plans here, businesses, they worry about supply chain. And that is why even an unverified claim, it can trigger global concern here. And at the very same time, Iran continues linking its actions to a broader regional developments, including tensions involving Israel and the loss of Iranian military assets in previous confrontations. Here, Iran wants to project strength. It wants to show that it can respond. The US wants to demonstrate that its forces remain secure and capable. Well, the result is a dangerous cycle where both the sides feel compelled just to appear strong, even as the risk of misunderstanding increases. But for the ordinary people watching these developments, the whole situation, it can feel confusing. One side makes a dramatic claim, the other side rejects it completely. But beneath the conflicting narrative lies a simple reality. Relationship between Washington and Tehran, that remains extremely tensed. And whenever tension remains high, the possibility of miscalculation increases here. And yes, while leaders exchange warnings and military exchanges the accusation, there is another side to every conflict that often receives less attention. The human side, because behind every strategic decisions are soldiers carrying out missions in dangerous environments.